Hello and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to be factorizing the expression 4m squared minus 20m. So what is the best way to go about this? The first thing you have to look at are the numbers you have, 4 and 20. So you have to think, what is the highest common factor of 4 and 20? That is the highest number that can divide both 4 and 20. The highest number is beautifully 4. 4 is the biggest number that can divide both 4 and 20. So what you do is you bring out that 4. Now when you look at this, you notice that you have m squared and m. Now it is wise that we bring out the smaller of the two of them. So we are going to be bringing out m. Now after we've done that, the next thing you do is you write your 4m squared divided by what you've brought out, which is 4m, minus 20m divided by what you've brought out, which is 4m. So 4 can cancel 4, and one of this m will be cancelled. So because I'm having m squared, and we know that m squared means m times m. So if I have m squared over m, that means this will be divided by m. This will cancel, so I'm left with 1m. So I come to this other side, m is cancelling m, and 4 in 20 is 5. So I'm left with 4m into m minus 5. And that is an interesting way of factorizing expressions. I hope to see you on the next one. Thank you.